Yep, we're going to pick fresh fruit and fresh veggies right off the ground. Because normally my mommy and daddy go to the market to get our fruits and veggies. Your mom and dad does the same thing? Yeah! Cool! We're at Underwood Family Farms in Moore Park, California. Whoa! And on the farm, they have animals too, and we can feed them.
Yes!
Are you ready? Cool, come on!
Now we're waiting for the tractor to take us to the field to pick strawberries. Whoa! It's a tractor made of bees! Bzz, bzz. Bye!
Bye!
That's not our tractor. Here comes our tractor. Whoa! It's huge! And green and yellow.
All aboard!
Here we are on the tractor. And we're turning left to go pick strawberries. Who's ready? Whoa, look at that field of lavender. Are we about to go through a tunnel made of plants? So cool! Here we are in the strawberry fields. Look at all these rows of ripe strawberries.
Yummy!
Oh, wait, I see one. And it's bright red. That was one of the rules. You want to pick the strawberries that are the brightest color red.
Okay.
Here's another one. Look at it hiding. Oh, and you see it next to a green strawberry? Yeah, that one's not done yet. Whoa, so many strawberries. I don't know which ones to pick. Oh, here's two. Here's a close-up of strawberries growing. That's the flower that they sprout out of. And they start off kind of green and bumpy. And then they turn bright red like this.
Wow!
How cool is that? Oh, look at this strawberry. It's shaped like a heart. Aww.
Strawberry picking is so fun! Look how many strawberries I picked! Wow! Great job!
Okay, let's play a game.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you if the strawberry is ripe enough to pick, and you have to say yes or meh for no, okay?
Okay.
And remember, they have to be bright red. Okay, let's play. Good job! Yeah, you're right! That one's not ready yet.
Yes!
Yeah, that one's ready! Great job! Nope, not yet.
Yes!
Yep, that one right there. That's ready. Good job. Let's get a close-up of it. Oh, it looks so yummy. Look at all those baby strawberries still growing. Okay, one last strawberry before we go pick some veggies. That one! Oh, we can pick celery? I love celery with peanut butter. And what's this? Oh, cauliflower! I love cauliflower too! Do you like to eat veggies? Me too! Whoa, what was here? It looks like it's all gone. Oh, look! There's one little teeny baby carrot left. Oh, wait, look! How cool is that? Someone dug out the ground and you can see the carrots sticking out.
Cool.
This carrot is really stuck in the ground. Sweet onions. Look at how cool onions grow. Wow! I'm gonna pull this one out of the ground. You ready? Yeah! Look at this cool onion! My mommy cooks with these a lot. Let's put it in the bag. Sugar snap peas. Romaine lettuce. Oh, look at the ladybugs on the lettuce. Oh, do you see them? So cute. Broccoli. I love broccoli. Look at how it's growing on the stalk. Here's a close-up. And you can pick sunflowers too on Underwood Farms.
This is so much fun!
Look at those bees! They really love sunflowers. Okay, let's explore everything else on the farm. Look at this wooden school bus! And Farmer Craig's chickens. Listen, they're singing a song!
Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Cool!
Train rides too? Chugga 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 choo choo! This is so fun! Whoa, look at this tractor that's now a slide!
Wow.
Let's go down! Whoa! So neat! Chicken coop. He loves corn. Me too. Look at the baby chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Aww. Whoa, you have a cool haircut. Look at him back there in the red barn. He has an even cooler haircut. They have ducks too. And pot-belly pigs. He's taking a nap. And alpacas. Whoa, we love alpacas. And donkeys. And look at this turkey. Hi, turkey. And sheep and goats too. And we can brush them. Gonna make their hair nice and neat. Do you like that, sheep?
Yep. Uh-huh.
Whoa, look what they made for the goats.
Wow!
It's almost like an obstacle course. Here's a goat climbing down. Look at that goat all the way up there. Whoa, look at him standing on the fence trying to eat the leaves. Be careful. This place is so cool. Thank you for farming with us today. You're very welcome. We had a lot of fun, right?
should come here from now on and get all our fresh fruits and veggies fresh out the ground. If you're in California, come to Underwood Family Farms.
Okay.
Or maybe there's a farm with fresh fruits and veggies where you live. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Can you be sure to like this video and all my other videos too? And just search for my name, Passport Poppy, whenever you want to go on one of our cool adventures. Remember our road trip? Or when we went skiing in the mountains? Or what about when we fed the alpacas in the huge bowl? We had so much fun together. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be dressed and ready next week because we're going on a horseback riding adventure! Bye! So grab your passport and travel along with me. Passport Poppy! Hi, it's me, Passport Poppy, and today we're back in Temecula, California. Remember we came here to go hot air ballooning? Yeah! Well, today we're going to Sugar Plum Zoo and Chocolate. It's the world's first chocolate shop and petting zoo.
Whoa!
They have over 50 rescued animals like camels, zebras, horses, tortoises, and more and more and more.
Yes!
Let's go explore Sugar Plum Zoo and yummy chocolate. Sugar Plum Farms is getting ready for Christmas. Oh, look! This is Augustus. He's a Vietnamese pot-bellied pig, and he roams around the farm looking for snacks. Meet Artemis. This is the kind of tortoise that I wanted at the reptile show.
Oh.
It's called a sulcata tortoise, and Artemis is 45 years old. And this is his yummy lunch. Lots of lettuce. Remember I said that tortoises love greens? Yes! And Artemis can live to be 100 years old.
Wow!
Oh, I want one so bad. Oh, and Artemis loves pumpkin too. He almost ate it all. Isn't that right, Artemis? He's so cute. And his shell is so hard, but soft. Tortoises love to have their shell scratched or rubbed, like I'm doing. These are Nigerian dwarf goats. And if you look at their eyes, they're kinda on the side of their heads because they're animals of prey, which means a lot of other animals like to hunt them. So they have to be able to see behind them. And these two goats here, they're sisters, and they're Nubian goats. And this guy right here, this is Pluto the alpaca. And her back there, she's an Appaloosa spotted llama. And her name is Hera. Hi, Hera! And these sheep, they get sheared once a year. Sheared is like a sheep getting a haircut. But that sheep right there, it sheds its own fur, so it never needs a haircut. How cool is that? And this is Zeus the camel. Hi, Zeus.
Hello.
And do you see how he's sitting with his legs folded? That is called cushing. Cool. It's how camels rest. Like when we sit down in a chair.
Oh.
Did you know that camels can go almost 2 weeks in the desert without food or water?
Oh, wow.
Whoa! And look at those pretty eyelashes. Camels have 2 sets of eyelashes because when they're in the desert, the 2 sets of eyelashes helps to keep the sand out of their eyes in sandstorms. I wonder what it sounds like when Zeus sneezes. Oh, look! Zeus is getting up to come say hi to us! Hi, Zeus!
Look at how big Zeus is! Camels can be over 6 feet tall.
Wow, wow, wow.
And look at how big Zeus's feet are. Camels have cushioned feet to help them not sink in the desert sand. And this is Ophelia. She's an Asian water buffalo. And she loves to be pet. In the Philippines, where Ophelia is from, she works in the rice fields. She's so sweet. And it's true, she loves to be pet. And this is Apollo the cow. He also loves to be pet. This is a laughing kookaburra. Its name is Gilos, and it really does laugh. Early in the morning and then late at night. And these are 2 mandarin ducks, Cleopatra and Anthony. Cool name, Cleopatra. And this is a toucan. He loves fruit. A lot. His name is Adonis. And look who's following us again for some more treats. It's Augustus. And this is Persephone. She's an African crowned crane. Oh no, Augustus is back. Do you want some more treats, Augustus? Yes! And these are miniature horses. This is Pandora, Pegasus, and Spartacus. They're so small, but they're 10 years old. Wow! And this beautiful horse, its name is Europa. It looks like she has bangs. Her hair is so long and pretty. She's so big, but she's still considered a little pony. Look at the long hair covering her hooves. And that black and white dwarf horse, she's nurse certified, which means she can go visit people in nursing homes or kids in hospitals. And these 2 here, they're Texas Longhorns. I mean, look at those horns. And over here, those are yaks. Look at their long hair. So pretty. Look at the zebra. Her name is Aurora. Did you know that zebras are actually all black with white stripes? No way! Yeah! And this cool one right here is a zonkey. Yep, a zonkey. He's half zebra and half donkey.
Wow!
Some more donkeys. And that brown cow, her name is Venus. She's 5 years old and she still drinks from a bottle. Like a little baby. And if she doesn't get her bottle, they said she'll moo all night long. And the sheep in there with her, its name is Jingle Bell. And look at all the little bunnies on Sugar Plum Farm. They're so fluffy and cute. Okay, let's take a break from the animals and go into the fudge shop. Triple-berry fudge, strawberry fudge, orange and cream fudge, peppermint candy cane fudge, just in time for Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, so many chocolates, I don't know what to get. Chocolate mint fudge too.
Yummy. Sugar Plum Zoo and chocolates was awesome, right? And yummy. The animals were so cute. And Mrs. Lonnie is awesome too, because she brought all those animals to her farm to live with her. And she takes such good care of them and lets kids like us visit. For more of our animal adventures and travel adventure videos, you can always search for my name, Passport Poppy, or subscribe to my videos so you never miss the fun. See you next time!
So grab your passport and travel along with me. Passport Poppy!
This is so awesome! Mercy is the softest cow ever! I could stay here all day!
Oh, sorry! It's me, Passport Poppy!
Hello.
And I'm at the Gentle Barn today. This is the cow I was hugging on. His name is Mercy, and he's the biggest cow at the Gentle Barn. He weighs 3,500 pounds.
Wow!
When you come into the Gentle Barn, you can grab one of these brushes from the pink bucket. Good job! And then walk over here to where Mercy is sitting. Hi, Mercy. There's Mercy's food back there. Some nice green hay. Mercy loves grass too. And look at Mercy's little blue bow. And this right here is Mercy's brother, Roy. Roy has a cute yellow bow.
So pretty!
I know, right? And he's so soft. Have you ever hugged a cow? Oh, you should really try it. Mercy loves hugs. Roy is licking his brother Mercy to let him know everything's okay. They really love each other. The Gentle Barn told us that Mercy and Roy were rescued together. So Roy always comes to check on his brother to make sure he's okay. Hi, Roy! Oh! Roy was trying to smell my phone. Look at how big Roy is.
Wow!
I wonder if he weighs as much as his brother Mercy. Do you remember how many pounds Mercy weighed? 3,500! Good job! Mommy, can you get a picture of me hugging Mercy? When you first get to the Gentle Barn, you'll be greeted by Mrs. Ellie. Mrs. Ellie had a dream of opening the Gentle Barn since she was 7 years old.
Wow!
And guess what? Mrs. Ellie adopted over 200 animals that are now safe and happy at the Gentle Barn. Oh yeah, let me tell you more about the Gentle Barn. They rescue animals that were treated not so nice. And they bring them to the Gentle Barn to live happily ever after. They get hugs and rubs and all the food and snacks in the world. And this cow's name is Madonna. And Madonna is 14 years old. She came to the Gentle Barn when she was just a baby. So she's been here a long time. And she's really friendly. She wants some belly scratches. Okay, Madonna. Oh yeah, and every animal at the Gentle Barn has their own volunteer. And the volunteer knows all about the animal. So you can ask them any questions you want.
Okay.
Right, Madonna? And this is Madonna's ball. Look at how big it is. She loves to push it around the barn. Cool. And this is Athena, and she loves hugs and rubs. Athena is soft just like Mercy. This is Tulip. Tulip and her family were found under a bush. So Mrs. Ellie rescued them and brought them to the gentle barn. This is Lennon. She's a wild turkey. She was brought to the gentle barn with her sister. Oh, and this is Romeo. Romeo is a wild turkey too. And he was rescued with his 10 brothers and sisters. Oh, also at the gentle barn, we respect if animals want to be pet or not. So, when you come here, you can try to pet some of the animals, but if they walk away, that means they don't want to be pet right now. And that's okay too. See, Compassion is walking away. That means she doesn't want to be pet right now.
Bye-bye.
And this is Humble. Look at that tail wagging. He's really happy. And he loves splashing in this pool. His volunteer told me that he loves food and belly rubs. Humble is almost 5 years old. Happy almost birthday, Humble. This is Earl the emu.
Hi.
Guess what? Earl is a teenager.
Wow.
And he loves broccoli and blueberries and to be pet on his neck. Hi, Earl. Oh, bye, Earl. This is Forgiveness, and she was rescued from Thanksgiving last year. I'm glad. And this is King the Llama. The gentle barn says he's the king of all the sheep and goats. Hey, King, come back. Oh, I think King's being shy right now. This is Emperor Skip. He's also a llama.
Oh.
He's wearing the cover to protect his eyes from bugs. This is Pearl the pig. And Pearl loves belly rubs, but only with the stick. Look at the spots on Pearl. How many can you count? 9! Good job. Oh, look, this peacock, it just got to the gentle barn, so it doesn't have a name yet. And they said that he doesn't like to be pet. That's okay. Did you know that peacocks are the national bird of India? Yeah. Cool. The gentle barn said that these pigs are in the barn because they weren't playing too nice. Oh. This is Merlin the goat. Do you see him limping? Don't worry, he's okay. He's just getting a little older. They also have horses at the gentle barn. This is Bonnie. And this is Thor. Thor loves carrots. Right, Thor? Bonnie is kicking her stall because she wants me to come back and give her more carrots. Okay, Bonnie. Let's see how many we have left. Some carrots for Ruby, and now we're all out. When you're done, you drop your empty bag of carrots into this basket. I can't wait to tell all my friends that I hugged the cows.
So cool.
Well, if you like this video, would you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Passport Poppy?
Yes!
Awesome! Well, we're about to get in the car and go back home. So, see you later. Bye! So, grab your passport and travel along with me. Passport Poppy!